Okay. Let's move on to the part 3 of my lectures in Crimpor. Kailangan ikad kasi mahirap pong ma-upload. The first, in the continuance ng to, ng in the continuance ng to ng wait, let's see. Ng common types of corruption ng PNP. Nandito na yung pieces. It involves an activity in which a police officer acts as a mediator in a certain case and offer to the other party to settle the case for a particular amount. And police officer receive a certain amount of the payment made by the other party. Dito, yung police, nag-act as mediator. Dapat investigator lang sila. Di sila magdilitis, di sila mag-act as judge, di ba? Ayan yung corruption na most type na nagagawa ng mga police. The other one is direct criminal activity. This is the worst behavior of the police by involvement of a police officer in criminal activity and profiting on it. Yeah. Diba? Ayun na, yung mga hold up nila. Diba? Yung mga recycling nila. Ay yung ginagawa nila. Ng drugs. Recycling ng mga na-confiscate nilang drugs. May mga categories pa pala ang mga corrupt officers. White knights. These are straightforward fellow, honest to a fault, and often take an extreme position on ethical issues. They are realistic and often render strict decision in accordance with the law. Thus, they are considered a loner and deviant to the eyes of the colleagues who are corrupt and killjoy to others. Diba? Kumbaga ito wala siyang pakialam kung sino ka. As long as you are not honest in you are corrupt or killjoy to others, may ginagawa kang liko. White knights, yan. Diba? Sila yung manguhuli talaga sa'yo. Diba? Straightforward fellow sila, honest to a fault. Sabihin, wala silang kinikilingan. At bibihira yung mga gandong pulis. Diba? Straightforward. Meron pa tayong straight shooter. Straight shooters, these are honest policemen who are ready to hide the corrupt practices for their comrades as a part of camaraderie. They observe principle of omerta or hiding the secret fellow policemen. Yan. Honest sila. Diba? Pero meron silang corrupt practices na kung saan, ayun, para sa comrades sila. Diba? Para protektan yung comrades sila sa part of camaraderie. Grass eaters. Pag sinabi natin grass eaters, these are policemen who just keep on waiting for the opportunities. They are engaged in a relatively minor type of corruption opportunities. As they present themselves, minor type of corruption lang naman yung nagagawa ng grass eaters. Meat eaters, they are worse because they become out of the headquarters to look for the opportunities. They actively seek out corruption opportunities to engage in both minor and major patterns of corruption. Yan, mas malala ito. Diba, kumbaga lumalabas lang sila sa headquarters nila para gumawa ng activities na kung saan nakikita sila, mangungurup sila. Both minor and major patterns ay ginagawa nila. Sa Rogues naman, our policemen were considered having all the deviant behaviors of a corrupt policeman. They involved in dirty works and dirty money and are considered bad to the bone. lang, nagbabalangay. Nai-interrupt ako eh. Nagbabalangay na si Marcher eh. Okay, continue lang ako. Oh, ano ba yung mga police misconduct natin dyan? Malfeasance, wrongful, improper, unlawful, or conduct motivated by premeditated, obstinate, and intentional purpose. It is usually refers to transgression of some established and definite rule of action where no discretion is left except where necessity may demand. It does not necessarily imply corruption or criminal intention. Kumbaga ito, improper niya lang ginawa. Halimbawa, sa search warrant, hindi na kaya specify hindi na ka-specify dun sa search warrants na kailangan niyang kunin yung bagay na yun, pero kinuha niya, which is improper. Hindi niya nagawa ng wasto. Misfeasance. Like sinabing misfeasance is the improper performance of an act which may be lawfully done. O ito, yung misfeasance, diba? Improper, ibig sabihin, ikaw, wala kang search warrant, pumasok ka sa isang bahay, nag-search warrant ka. Diba? Nag-search ka doon. Wala kang warrant of arrest. Oh. Nag-arresto ka ng isang taon, wala kang warrant of arrest. This is considered as misfeasance. Paano naman pag sinabi natin non-feasance or negligent duty? It's the omission or refusal without sufficient excuse to perform an act or duty which was peace officer legal obligation to perform. Implies a duty as well as is breach the fact and never be found in the absence of duty. Ibig sabihin, yan, may action dapat tayong ginagawa, diba, para ma-prevent yung crime pero hindi natin nagawa ng gusto yun. Halimbawa, may riot sa kalsada, mga kabataan, diba? As a police officer, diba, pwede natin silang pahintuin. Pwede natin silang pahintuin para matigil ang pag-riot, pero ikaw hinayaan mo lang, which is considered as non-feasance. Police brutality, nandiyan ang police brutality pala. It refers to unnecessary and unreasonable use of force in effecting arrest or abuse in the manner of conducting search and seizure and other police operation. Diba? In the occasion of your arrest, sinapak-sapak mo, ginawa mo, diba? Gumawa ka ng unnecessary and reasonable use of force sa pagkanda ng arrest. Yan, that is considered as police mistakes. Police misconducts pala. Police lying, deceptive practices are part of working environment. Yan. Maraming kasinungalingan din. Okay, police-community relations. There are some total of dealings between the police and the people itself and whose goodwill and cooperation create for the greatest possible efficiency in the service. Dito kasama na yung community naman dito. Ano ba yung mga principles of community relations? Community support must be maintained. Every police shall be worthy of the police high trust in doing his job and leaving is nothing through carelessness. He shall make himself available and be willing to observe everyone. Yan dapat yung mga tinatagay sa police. Community resentment must be avoided. Every police shall have in mind the interest of the public. He shall develop friendly relation by his good conduct. He shall avoid any occasion to humiliate, embarrass, or inconvenience anyone. Kumbaga dapat, yan, maayos tayong makitungo sa labas, sa mga kapwa natin. Sa mga kaibigan natin, kailangan natin ng friendly relation. Community goodwill must be developed. A police should be cautious, fair, and quick to assist individual in the solution of their problems. Yan. Police dapat courteous, fair, and quick to assist individual in the solution of their problems. Kumbaga walang paligoy-ligoy. Kailangan natin tulungan yung kapwa natin. Community must be informed. The police should inform the community of the regulation and policy of the police force and reasons of their adoption. Kailangan ini-inform ng kapulisan ng mga community natin para hindi sila walang alam kung may operation man ng mga pulis, di ba? Kung may policies na bagong pinapatupad sa isang lugar. Paano naman pag sinabing police relation? Reviving the ideas of the police, of the people's police. It is the basic notion on which modern urban police departments were founded. Need for police service must be determined on the basis of ongoing communication between the police and the people. The more reason for police work. A police officer usually operates with repertoire of response determined by penal codes, municipal ordinances, and demands and often recurrent types of situation and emergency within the jail. Diba? Kailangan naaangkop lahat ng kilos natin ay naayon sa municipal ordinances, di ba? To some, this praise may sound sentimental, and to others unnecessary because many effective police officers now operate with humanity and compassion. Wow! Ito dapat yung dapat nating tularan. You know?